In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Teachable Machine project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your trained model into a single link you can share with teammates, students, or anyone who needs quick access. No coding or extra setup required. First, make sure your model is fully trained and you're happy with the results in the preview. When you're ready to share, look for the Export Model button in the Teachable Machine interface. It's typically located near the top of the screen alongside your project controls. Click Export Model. This action doesn't change your model, it simply opens a panel of export options. Think of it as choosing how you want others to access what you've already built. You'll see several ways to export, but for a simple shareable link, you'll use the Upload option. In the Export panel, select Upload, Shareable Link. This option tells Teachable Machine to host your model for you, so others can open it in a browser and interact with it. It's ideal for quick demos, classroom use, or sending a preview to a collaborator. You won't need to download files or embed code. Everything is handled online by Teachable Machine, which keeps things straightforward and accessible. Next, click Upload My Model. Teachable Machine will package your model files and labels and begin the upload. Keep the tab open while it works. The time it takes can vary based on your internet speed and the size of your model, so give it a moment. You might see a progress indicator showing that the upload is underway. If your model includes larger assets, it can take a little longer. Just let it finish so the link is generated correctly. When the upload completes, Teachable Machine will provide a unique URL that points directly to your hosted model. Click Copy to place that link on your clipboard. From there, paste it wherever you plan to share it: an email, a document, a chat thread, or a learning platform. Anyone with the link can open it and try the model right in their browser. Depending on your project type, the page may request permission to use the camera or microphone, and that's normal for interactive models. That's all there is to it. Click Export Model, choose Upload, Shareable Link, hit Upload My Model, and then copy the generated URL. With just those actions, your Teachable Machine project becomes instantly shareable and easy for others to explore.